Good King Wenceslas slipped out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
Today is December 1st and it's the start of the best time of the year. It's time for Beery Christmas 2020 edition. Each day until Christmas I'm gonna be opening up one of these doors, and there's a beer hidden behind each door, and I have no idea what to expect. So there could be some craft beers, some lager, some horrible unfiltered stuff, I have no idea. So last year there was a clue book included, and you had to solve a riddle every time to find which door to open. And there's none of that this year. Instead, you just have to follow a path to find a door. So yeah, not really that exciting, but still, it's beer. So number one starts here, and then you have to follow it all the way there. Ooh, exciting, isn't it? So let's open up this door and see what's behind it. Dun 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 dun. What is this? Holy Brique by Brique House. Surprising. So it's an American pale ale, and I'm gonna be opening up and opening it up till even, and gonna show you how it looks, and then have a swig, and then I don't know. So it's a pretty nice light color, as one could expect from American pale ale. So let's give it a shot. Good start. I like this. This is good. It's flavorful but still very easy to drink. So yeah, cheers.